Hi. Debt funds invest in instruments with a fixed coupon rate, so they have a fixed rate of return. But there is a type of debt fund which gives a variable rate of return. Such funds are known as floating rate funds or floater funds. A floating rate fund invests in debt instruments whose returns fluctuate depending on the Reserve Bank of India's interest rate. Such debt instruments are called floating rate instruments. These instruments can be issued by the government as well as companies. Whenever the RBI increases the repo rate, the returns from government and PSU bonds also increase. As investors opt for government bonds as they offer higher returns, the prices of debt instruments offered by companies go down as the demand for these reduces. To negate this problem, companies issue debt securities which have fluctuating return rates. These instruments offer higher returns as the repo rate rises and vice versa. As per SEBI, a floating rate fund is a type of an open-ended mutual fund scheme with at least 65% of its corpus invested in floating rate instruments. These funds are flexible when it comes to the investment tenure. They can be of both short and long-term horizons. Short-term funds primarily invest in government securities such as treasury bills and certificates of deposits. Long-term funds primarily invest in corporate and government bonds. Historically, these funds have given an average return of about 8% annually. The good part about these funds is that they are very less risky. This is because the fund manager picks securities which have an almost zero chance of default. When it comes to taxation, these funds are like any other debt fund. A short-term capital gains tax is applicable for an investment for less than 3 years. A longer investment tenure would be subject to a capital gains tax of 20%. So, if you are a risk-averse investor who is looking for a stable source of income, a floating rate fund is a good way to diversify your portfolio. The best time to invest in such a fund would be when you anticipate the RBI to increase the interest rates. This will lead to a substantial return on your investment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and share it with your fellow investors.